Welcome to our tutorial on Brazilian bikini hard waxing for beginners. Today, we'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you feel confident and prepared. First, it's important to prepare your skin. Cleanse the area thoroughly and exfoliate to remove dead skin cells. This helps the wax adhere better and reduces the risk of ingrown hairs. Next, apply the hard wax in small sections. Use a spatula to spread the wax evenly in the direction of hair growth. Allow the wax to cool and harden slightly before removing. Now it's time to remove the wax. Hold your skin taut and pull the wax off quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth. Remember, confidence is key. After waxing, soothe your skin with a gentle moisturizer or aloe vera gel. This helps to calm any irritation and keep your skin hydrated. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy waxing!